is springing all around us, but the Annapolis real estate market is seeing a very slow spring market in the way of more inventory coming. It's Friday, March 10th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Be in the know. Subscribe for your weekly local market updates. Annapolis residential resale inventory continues to remain incredibly low, with only 82 homes for sale in all zip codes of Annapolis. 21401 has 29 homes for sale, 21403 has 40 for sale, and 21409 only has 13 homes for sale. 16 homes are coming soon, while 9 new listings hit the market since my last report. 18 went under contract, 10 moved to pending, and 22 sold in just 4 median days at 98.5% list to sold ratio. The highest price home to sell was a waterfront in Eastport for $3,675,000. Rental inventory is at 22 homes for lease at $3,050 per month and on the market for 34 days thus far. What's on your mind about our local market? Let me know what you want to know. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 10th, 2023. Thanks for tuning in. Be well, and I'll see you next week.